Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope that everyone will be fine, shine, and enjoying your life. Today, I'm going to show you that how you can fix Blender issues. Okay, so this is Blender. I'm going to open it, and it's not opening. Okay, you can see that it's crashing. So again, I'm trying. You can see it's not working. Again, I'm trying. Again, it's not working. So I'm gonna tell you the solution that how you can make it working. Okay, so let's go to Google and search for Mesa 3D. Okay, here you will see the Mesa 3D graphics library and the Mesa 3D for Windows. Okay, so you have to click on this link, Petrico Design. Okay, so click on this link. In here, wait for it. Mesa 3D can be used to provide software render to OpenGL application. It's especially useful to run old apps and games that use an old version of OpenGL and do not work properly on modern hardware. Okay, so you know what the problem is basically. So this screenshot. So you have to download it according to your OS. If you have on 32-bit OS, so you will click 32-bit, and if you have 64-bit, then you will click on the 64. I'm going to download 64. Yes, okay, so now it's downloaded. I'm going to open it and double click on it. I'm going to extract this file. Okay, so I'm going to extract this file to the desktop. Okay, so here, so this is the files. Okay, now click on this file, right click, and then you have to click on the cut. Okay, this one, cut. Now go to Blender, right click on it, and then open file location and paste it here. Okay, so you have to paste it, Control V. Now you can see the file is here, and now click and close these windows and then open the Blender. Now you can see that it's working and it's trying to open it. Okay, so now the file is open. So this is the way that how you can fix this solution. You can fix this issue, you can fix this problem. Now I'm trying again that it's working or not. Okay, so double click on it, and now you will see that it is working. Let's wait for it a bit. Yes, it's working. So this is the way that how you can fix this issue. And for more videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.